Plan your tasks or project with Astravue. Project planning is very crucial for any project to be delivered on time. So here I'm going to take an example of an event happening on 14th of February where we're going to have a stall in an exhibition representing our software, right? So if the event is on 14th, then the wallpapers for the stall should have to be ready by 10th and the posters to be ready on 3rd and the content should be ready by 29th, right? Now, if I have to add any tasks, let's say if I have to print the wallpapers, I have to finalize the vendor by 5th and understand the pricing and everything, right? So it's that simple to create a task and plan your entire project within minutes.